Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to find this Santa Claus effect on TikTok. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So since Christmas is just around the corner, this trending effect has gone viral. The name of this effect is called Santa Claus. As you can see, you can make yourself look like Santa Claus. So let me show you how to get this effect. So first you want to open up your TikTok app. Next you want to tap on the plus sign here at the bottom. Now you want to tap on effects at the bottom left. Then tap on search. And here you're searching for Santa Claus. As you can see here, it's the first one and it looks like this. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you do that, you'll see yourself with the hat and white facial hairs. Now go ahead and record your video using this effect and then post it on TikTok. So that is how to create the Santa Claus effect video on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.